what was your most enjoyable or most challenging part of JAG law when you were serving for the 21 years?
Late in my career, I was a military judge for 2 years, and so I would preside over courts martial, and that was probably the job I enjoyed the most. I also was a prosecutor for a while, a traveling prosecutor, where that's all I would do is travel to different bases and act as lead prosecutor on different cases. I think the military judge job was the one I enjoyed the
What
most.
would be an example of a case you'd have to oversee?
Most of the cases in the Air Force are not real serious crimes. You get a lot of drug cases, some theft over a certain amount, things like that. Unfortunately, there are some child sex abuse cases, those kind of things, which are really, really bad news. But it's kind of a wide range of cases, but most of them are not that serious.
And in the legal system within the military, or specifically the Air Force, is it designed similar to a civil court? In other words, you're accused, you have a defense attorney representing you, there's a jury.
Right. The military justice system is very similar to the civilian criminal justice system. I mean, the rules of evidence are almost the same. We don't call it a jury in the military. It's called court members, but it's just like a jury. One difference, normally with juries in the civilian system, it's got to be unanimous, either guilty or not guilty. And if it's not unanimous, it's a hung jury. In the military, it's typically 2/3. So they vote one time when they're ready to vote, and if 2/3 or more say guilty, it's guilty. If not, it's not guilty. So that's kind of a unique thing. So you don't really have hung juries in the military like you do in the civilian world.